Hi everyone, I'm Griselda and I'm here to talk to you about Himalayan salt, all of its awesome benefits, and some of the ways that I like to use it. First, I want to tell you what Himalayan salt is. So Himalayan salt, it's also known as Himalayan pink salt or Himalayan sea salt. It comes from one place in the whole world, which is the Kura mine. Kura. Saying that 3 times fast. The Kura mine is in Pakistan. It's in the foothills of the Himalayan mountain range. One cool thing that I learned about this is that the salt deposits actually come from an ancient seabed that was covered in lava over 500 million years ago. So it's also classified as a sea salt because of that. Its beautiful pink colors come from the trace minerals that come from that seabed. So just a little science there for you. What's really special about pure Himalayan salt is that it's packed with 84 minerals, so no synthetic additives are needed, making it perfect all on its own. I want to tell you some of the most popular uses and also some of my faves. I do want to tell you about some of the most popular ways that there's used and some of my favorites as well. One of them is as a bath soak because it's a great exfoliator as well as a body scrub, just like our Himalayan salt scrub. So you rub it all over your skin, wash it off, and just feel the smoothness. Make sure that you check out the link in the description for this one. Another way to use it is to texturize your hair or to get those beach waves. Use it as a sea salt spray, apply it, let it dry, and just enjoy. My personal favorite is the Himalayan salt lamp. It creates a balance and harmony with a nice soft glow. 3 different ways that I use it around my house are as a nightlight. I have 2 kids that sometimes have trouble sleeping or can be afraid of the dark. So having this on the lowest setting can really soothe them. And also if they wake up in the middle of the night to do a bathroom run, they don't feel so scared. Another way that I like to use it when I find me time is in the bath. So I'll turn this on, have a warm bath, and just relax. Or if I have a face mask on to take away all the stress, I use this just to lay there with the face mask and just create that warm ambience around me. Lastly, I use it in my morning routine. Before the kids get up, I do yoga and turn my Himalayan salt lamp up to the highest setting. It's a great way to start my day. There are so many different ways that you can use Himalayan salt in your daily routine. As I mentioned, my ultimate favorite is the Himalayan salt lamp from Art Naturals. I really hope that you found my 3 tips useful and learned some really cool salt facts along the way. Until next time, see you later.